What is preventive maintenance and how to use it effectively? Part 1. Preventive maintenance, or preventative maintenance, is maintenance that is regularly and routinely performed on physical assets to reduce the chances of equipment failure and unplanned machine downtime that can be very costly for maintenance teams and facility managers. Effective preventive maintenance is planned and scheduled based on real-time data insights, often using software like a CMMS. A preventive maintenance task is performed while the equipment is still working to prevent unexpected breakdowns. A preventive maintenance strategy is a commonly used approach that falls between reactive maintenance, or run to failure, and predictive maintenance. Why is preventive maintenance important? Preventive maintenance is important because it lays the foundation for successful facility management. Preventive maintenance keeps equipment and assets running efficiently, maintains a high safety level for your employees, and helps you avoid large and costly repairs down the road. Overall, a properly functioning preventive maintenance program ensures operational disruptions are kept to a minimum.